So we're told in this question that x plus 2 and x minus 1 are factors of x cubed minus ax squared minus bx plus 6 equals 0. And we want to solve for a and b. So the factor theorem tells us that if x plus 2 is a factor, then x equals minus 2 will be a root or a solution of that equation. So writing down the equation again, we have x cubed minus ax squared minus bx plus 6 equals 0. And if x equals minus 2 is a solution, we're going to sub the minus 2 in. So we have minus 2 cubed minus a by minus 2 squared minus b by minus 2 plus 6 equals 0. Minus 2 cubed is minus 8. And minus 2 squared is 4 times minus a is minus 4a. Minus b by minus 2 is plus 2b, and then plus 6 equals 0. And tidying this up, we have minus 4a plus 2b, and then minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2, and if we add a 2 to both sides, we get equals 2. I'm just going to label this equation 1. I'm going to do the same thing for the second piece of information, which tells us that x minus 1 is a factor, and that means that x equals plus 1 will be a root of the cubic equation x cubed minus ax squared minus bx plus 6 equals 0. So I'm going to sub in 1, and I get 1 cubed minus a by 1 squared minus b times 1 plus 6 equals 0. And we get 1 minus a minus b plus 6 is 0. 1 and 6 is 7. If I subtract a 7 from both sides, I get minus a minus b equals minus 7. And I'm going to call this equation 2. So we can see now that we have two equations with variables a and b. So if we do a simultaneous equation between the two, we can solve for those variables. Equation 1 I'm just going to write down as it is. So minus 4a plus 2b equals 2. And I can see that I need to multiply equation 2 by 2 so that the b's will cancel when I sum the lines. So equation 2, I have minus a by 2 is minus 2a, minus b by 2 is minus 2b, and minus 7 by 2 is minus 14. I'm going to draw a line underneath and sum the two lines. So we have plus 2b minus 2b is 0, minus 4a minus 2a is minus 6a, and 2 minus 14 is minus 12. Dividing both sides by minus 6, I have that a is equal to 2. I'm going to sub this value of a back into either equation, so let's sub it back into equation 2. Equation 2 is minus a minus b equals minus 7. We found out that a is 2, so we have minus 2 minus b equals minus 7. Minus b is equal to minus 7 plus 2. Minus b is equal to minus 5, and then dividing both sides by minus 1, I get that b is equal to plus 5. And so the question asks us to find the values of a and b, and a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5.